Welcome to Doaba Group of Colleges, where enlightenment leads to empowerment. A brand name in the field of technical and professional education that stands for total and meaningful education. Doaba Group of Colleges was established in 1998, which is administered by a dedicated team of professionals of Doaba Khalsa Trust comprising NRIs and resident Indians. It has two campuses. Campus 1, just 13 kilometers from Chandigarh on Chandigarh-Ropar Highway, midway Kharad-Kurali. It is spread over 25 acres. It is most approachable from Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Jammu and Delhi. Campus 1 has Doaba Institute of Engineering and Technology or DIET, a shining star on the horizon of IT parks of Tri-City and hub of engineering and technology in the periphery of Chandigarh. DIET is one of the premier institutes in the technical education which is approved by AICTE New Delhi and is affiliated to PTU Jalandhar. It has a total of 360 seats in 4 streams, that is, Computer Science Engineering, Information Technology, Mechanical Engineering and Electronics, and Communication Engineering. Doaba College of Pharmacy. Doaba College of Pharmacy degree course is a premier institute among the Doaba Group of Colleges offering degree course in pharmacy having an intake of 60 seats. The institute is approved by All India Council of Technical Education New Delhi and is affiliated to Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. Master of Business Administration or MBA. DIET has state-of-the-art management block equipped with communication lab and a conference hall which shapes the personality of the future managers. With an initial intake of 60 students, MBA has come into being with effect from the academic session 2007-2008. Doaba College of Education. Doaba College of Education is one of the premier institutes offering B.Ed course having an intake of 100 seats. The College of Education is approved by NCTE Jaipur and is affiliated to Punjabi University, Patiala. Doaba Women Institute of Engineering and Technology or DWIET. Doaba Group of Colleges marches ahead and becomes pioneer for the socio-economic upliftment of women by establishing DWIET affiliated to PTU. Campus 2. Just 13 kilometers from Ropar on Ropar-Jalandhar Highway, midway Ropar-Balachar. Doaba Polytechnic College is established with a view to produce an efficient diploma-level engineer. The institute, situated at Raipur, delivers quality education through state-of-the-art technology with total intake of 700 seats in different courses in the first year. The institute has modern infrastructure with 24 hours internet connectivity. It offers courses in computer science and engineering, information technology, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, automobile engineering, and electrical engineering.
My name is Abhay Pasi and I belong to CSC BTech second semester. I have been very happy with the way the college proceedings has been going on.
I am privileged to be in this college. The faculty of the college is highly qualified and supportive. All of them are either PhDs or MTech. The labs of the college are well equipped and spacious. One can find all the latest technologies and advancement in this college. Being in this college, I really hope for my bright future.
I am Manmohan Singh. I am studying here in CSC. I am very lucky and happy to be part of Doaba Institute of Engineering and Technology.
I am Vikrant Janatha. I am pursuing BTech from Doaba Institute of Engineering and Technology. I am into my second year, 4th semester. In our institute, we have excellent infrastructure and well-equipped and spacious labs. For sports, we have big and lavish grounds. We do have our cricket team and our basketball team. And I am very happy in this institute.
MOU, Memorandum of Understanding. A Memorandum of Understanding was signed between the University of Wolverhampton, UK and Doaba Group of Colleges for Faculty Exchange Program. joint research projects, and admission of students to different courses.
Myself, Shweta Mahajan. I am a student of Doaba Institute of Engineering and Technology. Our college has excellent infrastructure, fully updated library, high-speed connectivity of internet. We have highly qualified and experienced staff.
Myself, Puneet Kaur, and I am a student of Doaba Institute of Engineering and Technology. We have a highly qualified and experienced staff, which is very useful for the students. They leave no stone unturned for us to get the concepts clear. The infrastructure is very good. The environment is very healthy and eco-friendly. I personally feel that this institute is one of the best institutes of Punjab Technical Universities.
I'm Namita Kapil, a student of Doaba College of Pharmacy. Being a student of Doaba, I can say that with confidence because here in Doaba, we're not just provided with the best of infrastructure, but also highly qualified and responsible teachers.
Doaba Group of Colleges has eco-friendly campuses, air-conditioned classrooms, library, computer, electronics, and IT labs. 24 hours internet connectivity of 2 Mbps and Wi-Fi. State-of-the-art labs and workshops. Comfortable hostels both for boys and girls on the campus or at Mohali, Chandigarh and Ropar. Bus service at nominal rates. Campus cafeteria. Outdoor and indoor sports facilities. Excellent arrangements for recreational and industrial visits. A corporate membership of British Library, Chandigarh. Faculty that claims some of the best names like that of Dr. Vijay Dhar, Dr. S.S. Wadhwa, Dr. R.K. Jain, Dr. H.S. Bhatti, Dr. H.G. Mandal, Dr. T.S. Kamal, Dr. Rajesh Sharma, Dr. Sudarshana Sharma, Colonel V.K. Sood, retired.
Myself, Dr. Harpajan Singh Patti, Principal, Doaba Institute of Engineering and Technology. My areas of interest are laser physics and nanotechnology. The motto of the institute is where enlightenment leads to empowerment. We have BTech course in 4 branches, computer science and engineering with 160 seats, information technology with 60 seats, mechanical engineering with 60 seats, electronics and communication engineering with 60 seats. You are appealed to visit our institute and admit your wards for their better career in our institute.
India is one of the fast growing economy in the world in the global competitive village. A very vital question keeps on popping in the mind of everybody. Whether our education is the perfect model to meet the ever-growing need of the country, keeping in view the technological advancement, development, change of socio-economic and management system. The vision of the group will nurture quality institutes under its umbrella.
When the ambitions of the parents and the students keep rising higher and higher, they want some organizations to come forward to stand by them and to lead them to the path of success. So, at this stage, we from an organization, from the group of colleges, assure them and tell them that if you want to excel in life, you want to do best in life, over there, we want to give best in your life, and together we can achieve this goal.
For more details, contact 098 554 32118, 098 881 79936, 092 178 602 66 098 150 73780.